Hello friends, my name is Rita Mehta. Today we will discuss the correlation of mathematics with other subjects under the paper Pedagogy of Mathematics. First, we will understand what is correlation. Correlation in its simplest form means connect or to be connected. To be more precise, correlation means mutual relations of two or more things or persons. But correlation in teaching indicates a technique which shows the reciprocal relationship between various subjects of the curriculum for making the knowledge concrete and permanent. It is the conscious effort made by teachers teaching various subjects to show similarities or dependence of one subject on another. Here are some definitions related to mathematics. Mathematics is the gateway and key to all sciences by Bacon. We cannot overstress the importance of mathematics in relation to science education and research. This has always been so, but at no time has the significance of mathematics been greater than today by Kothari Commission. Now we will discuss the correlation of mathematics to other sciences. First, correlation of mathematics with physics. All laws and principles in physics are expressed as equations and formulae using mathematical language and symbols. The examples are laws of motion, Newton's second law, density quantified, Boyle's law. In order to understand the above mentioned laws and principles, a student need a thorough understanding of equation, direct variations, inverse variations, and so on. A teacher of mathematics, while teaching equations and variation, can make use of examples from physics. Such an approach will make mathematics learning more significant. The quantitative measurements and their manipulations are very essential for understanding physics. For example, a mere knowledge of fact like steam can generate power or light changes its directions in going from a rarer to a denser medium are meaningless till they are quantified and applied to practical situations. This is possible only through applying mathematics. The second one is correlation of mathematics with chemistry. Mathematics is an indispensable tool for a better understanding of chemistry. In the words of J.W. Meller, it is almost impossible to follow the latest developments of physical or general chemistry without a working knowledge of higher mathematics. Mathematics gives form, shape, and definiteness to the properties of matter. All chemical combinations are governed by certain mathematical laws. The examples are in chemical compounds, the constituent elements are combined in a definite ratio. In chemical reactions, the chemical equations are balanced by balancing the number of atoms on either side of the equation. The structure of an atom, the atomic weight, the valences of an element are all mathematically based. The amount of heat generated or required in various chemical reactions are not empirical but mathematically based. The third one is correlation of mathematics with biology. John Perry has correctly estimated the value of mathematics in the study of natural sciences by saying, in these days, all men ought to study natural sciences, such as a study is practically impossible without the knowledge of higher mathematical methods. The Indian Education Commission has also emphasized the importance of mathematics in the development of biological sciences in the following lines. Apart from mathematical role in the growth of physical sciences, it is now playing an increasingly important part in the development of biological sciences. Thus, biology and medicine, which seemed to have practically no use for advanced mathematics at the beginning of the last century, are benefiting immensely from the intervention of sophisticated mathematical tools. Statistical methods and techniques are widely used for analyzing complex problems relating to physiology, genetic, heredity, metabolism, and so on. Bacterial growth is expressed as an exponential function. It is now thought that the area of topology can be used in describing the surface of the living cell. A new kind of algebra to represent the thinking process is being sought by neurophysiologists. The fourth one is correlation of mathematics with the social sciences. Economics, psychology, and many other subjects are mathematically oriented. In economics, mathematical language and methods are frequently used to interpret social phenomena, generalize laws governing economic policy, and predict economic growth. The theory of probability is applied to many of the economic issues to draw inferences and predict outcomes. Statistic analysis is the only scientific method to deal with social and psychological phenomena. History and geography are also correlated to mathematics. The history of mathematicians and their contributions provide useful background for the teaching of mathematics and history. Mathematics helps in calculating the dates and days of various historical events and in predicting the future based on the past events. Mathematics helps in drawing the maps to the scale and locating the distance between places. Mathematics provides the basis for computing the longitude and latitude, in predicting the weather conditions and climate changes, and planning the transportation system, and so on. Now we will discuss the correlation of mathematics with language and literature. Language is the vehicle for communication, and mathematics cannot be learned without the use of language. Certain mathematical concepts, especially abstract concepts, can be learned only in the form of verbal statement known as definitions. Mathematics helps the student to learn the language with clarity and exactness. The correlation of mathematics with art and architecture. Mathematics help in appreciating the beauty in art and architecture. Shaw states that mathematics is engaged in fact in the profound study of art and the expression of beauty. Therefore, itself is a piece of art, a study of harmony and of symmetry. Thank you.